How to restore deleted files on Android. This tutorial shows you how to recover files you've accidentally deleted using the built-in recycle bin in your file manager. First, open the File Manager app on your Android device. From there, find the file you want to delete and go ahead and delete it. Once deleted, it gets sent to the recycle bin rather than being permanently removed right away. After that, go back to the File Manager home screen. At this point, scroll through the options and tap Recycle Bin to open it. Following this, find the file you want to recover and long press on it to select it. Finally, tap Restore, and the file will be moved back to its original location on your device. Keep in mind that files in the recycle bin are only kept for a limited time before they're permanently deleted, so make sure to restore anything important as soon as possible. That's how you restore deleted files on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.